Good morning everyone. Let's look at the microwave sensor panel from KRH Lighting. Let's look at the microwave sensor. It's attached to the light body by the magnets. This is the LED driver. Then turn on the light. Normally, the light will turn off after 5 seconds. The panel will turn on when push it into the inductive area. For example, shake our hands. The panel will turn on. Then let's use an incandescent light to simulate the daytime. We can say that the light will automatically turn off at the daytime, no matter how we shake our hands. But when we turn off the incandescent light, the panel will turn on. It will automatically turn on when we push it into the inductive area, and the panel will turn off after when we push left. And when we shake our hands, it will turn on.